Imagine waking up on a beach in Thailand or exploring the jungles of Borneo. What if I told you that your daily coffee habit could be the only thing standing in your way? Most people think they can't afford to travel, but the truth is, small expenses add up quickly. Let's dive into how you can save for your dream trip. First, grab a sheet of paper and write down all your set expenses: rent, car payments, insurance, and so on. Tally them up. Next, list your discretionary spending: food, movie nights, drinks, shopping, and that daily coffee from Starbucks. Add it all up. Surprised by the total? These are what financial experts call phantom expenses. Small costs that bleed your money without you realizing it. One of the main reasons people think they can't travel is money. But if you cut these phantom expenses, you can build your travel fund much faster. Creating a budget is crucial. It helps you see where every penny goes and where you can make cuts. Cutting daily expenses and living more frugally can save you money for your trip without needing extra income. Track your spending. Use a spreadsheet or an app like Mint to see where your money goes. You might be shocked at the results. For example, I realized I was spending $100 a month on e-scooter rides. By walking instead, I saved $1,200 a year, enough for a few months in Southeast Asia. Set up a separate bank account for your travel fund. Automatically deposit money into it each pay cycle and don't touch it. Love your Starbucks? That daily $5 coffee costs you $1,800 a year. What's more important, your coffee or a trip to Thailand? Learn to cook. Eating out is expensive. Cooking at home can save you a lot of money. Get rid of your car if you can. Use public transportation, bike, or walk. It's cheaper and often healthier. Save on gas by using apps like Gas Buddy and signing up for gas station loyalty programs. Cut the cable. With streaming services like Hulu, you can save a lot by ditching your cable bill. Downgrade your phone. A cheaper phone can cut your monthly bill in half, saving you hundreds a year. Get a travel credit card. Earn points on everyday purchases and redeem them for free travel. Open an online savings account with a high yield. Your money will grow faster, helping you save more for your trip. Sign up for travel newsletters to get updates on last-minute sales and special deals. Build a network on Couchsurfing. Make friends with locals and get free accommodation when you travel. Replace your light bulbs with energy-efficient ones. It can save you money on your utility bills. Buy secondhand items. Websites like Amazon and Craigslist offer great deals on used goods. Cut coupons. Use grocery coupons, Groupon, and loyalty cards to reduce your expenses. Sell your stuff. Get rid of items you don't need and use the money to fund your travels. Skip the movies. Rent them online instead. It's much cheaper. Stop drinking alcohol. It's expensive, and cutting down can save you a lot of money. Quit smoking. A $10 pack a day costs $3,650 a year. That's enough for a long trip. Stop snacking. Plan your snacks in advance to avoid buying expensive junk food. Earn extra money on the side. Use the sharing economy to boost your trip savings. Buy a reusable water bottle. It saves money and is better for the environment. These tips will help you save thousands and make your dream trip a reality. Start today and watch your travel fund grow. Ready to book your trip? Check out my resource page for the best companies to use when you travel. They are the best in class, and you can't go wrong using them on your trip.